If you have a smartphone, this video is for you.
Ella, take this food outside. But I haven't eaten.
Please, Grandma, take it.
Your kindness will save you. Here, drink this. Why are you suddenly kind? Don't drink it! What is in that glass?
Rose, the camera recorded everything.
Daniel, I can explain.
I am Ella's grandmother. Your wickedness exposed you.
How could you do this to our family?
No, you can't do this!
The video you just watched, everything was created with a free mobile app on your phone. And in this video, I'm going to teach you the practical ways, step-by-step guide, how to create such long-form videos. It can be a story about anything. And I'm also going to show you the name of this app and how to use it for free. Without much ado, let's get straight into the tutorials. We are going straight to ChatGPT. Write a 30 seconds video or story titled The Wicked Mother, or maybe The Wicked Stepmother or something. The Wicked Stepmother, let's make it that way. So The Wicked Stepmother. Include characters and dialogues. Make the end very interesting. So this is a simple prompt, right? Write a 30 seconds video story titled The Wicked Stepmother. Include characters and dialogues. Make the end very interesting. And you give it to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to come up with a beautiful storyline. So if you look into this prompt, ChatGPT has stated clearly The Wicked Stepmother. Characters involved are, I think, only 4. Ella, a kind teenage girl, Madame Rose, her wicked stepmother, Mr. Daniel, Ella's father, Grandma, a mysterious old woman. We've seen a lot of these stories on TikTok, on other social media platforms. So now that we have our story idea, first we are going to generate a consistent character description, okay, so that we don't have different characters altogether. So this is what you're going to give to ChatGPT. Give each character a description to generate images to maintain consistency, because the story you are creating should be consistent, okay? As you can see, ChatGPT has given a perfect description for each. Just look at it. The consistency is so clear. ChatGPT has given a perfect description for all the 4 characters, okay? So this is Ella, and it has described the description. So you are going to generate all the images for each of the character, and then we try to convert all the characters into a scene. You can use any image generator of your choice. So we are going to, if you like, for me, I can use ChatGPT to generate them, or you can use Chrome, which is Google Chrome. But we just want to make it simple. So we are doing everything inside ChatGPT. So this is what I'm going to do. So generate. So I just asked ChatGPT, generate all the characters, and it's going to generate it. Then we convert each of the character into a scene. Then we move on to the next step. This is very simple, and I promise you, you are really going to love this free AI video generator app. It's perfect and it's unlimited. Let's wait for it. Okay, so now we have all our scenes here. You can see ChatGPT has generated beautiful images for us. This is Ella and his father, Mr. Daniel. This is the grandmother, and we have the stepmother is also here. So if you're looking at this one, we have also turned the images into video scenes, okay? That's why we have these scenes. The last scene where the police is coming, I've already told you we generated the characters first before bringing all of them together scene by scene to make it a perfect image, okay? So let's look at this one too. This is where Madame Rose was caught when she tried to poison the little girl. So all these are sequential and it's going to be very, very beautiful. So now that we have all the images we need for this video, we are now going to turn the videos or the images into videos. And this is where the free AI video generator app I'm talking about comes in. So what you are going to do is to copy the image to video prompt. If you scroll down, all of them are here. This is just something simple. I just want to let you know the free AI tool and also how to create cinematic stories, okay, for your video. So we are going to copy. This is the scene 1. Now what do we do? Now that we have all our images, let me actually go to my gallery. So inside my gallery, I'm going to show you all the images we've generated. First of all, this is the grandmom. This is the wicked stepmother. This is Ella and her father. This is them when she was caught. Okay, so everything is perfect now. Okay, so we have also the video to image prompt, including the dialogues. We are now going to turn it into a perfect video. So I want you to pick your phone and go to Play Store and download this app. Inside Play Store, you go to the search bar and you type GenV. This and this is the app. Okay, so now once you open the app, it's actually a vertical mode. Okay, so this side is where the image or the video section is, and this side is the video or image generator. And inside the image generator, there are a lot. Let me first start with the image generator. There are a lot of pro versions or image generators here. When you look at this thing, image generator, you toggle it down, you are going to see a lot of them. So you toggle this one down. Here you can see free image, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, and then Grok image. All these ones are absolutely free. But when it comes to the Grok image, if you see this sign, the diamond sign, it means it's a pro version you need to buy. But telling me Nano Banana is free and Grok image is pro, I don't get it, because Nano Banana Pro is better, far better than Grok. So if you want to generate any image of your choice, you can use any of this, and all of them are so incredible. Now let's go back where we have come, or the exact thing we came to do. So here you click on this one, which is the image or the video section. Now we scroll down a little bit here. When you toggle this one down, you're going to see a lot of different video generators. Okay, we have Grok. When you see the diamond, it means it needs to be purchased, which means you have to buy. So here is Pro. Google 3 is Pro, but inside Google View 3.1 Fast and Light, all these ones are free. Okay, so 1, 2, all these ones are free and they are incredible as well. So what you have to do is to click on this one. Now after clicking on the one you want, you come to the aspect ratio and the duration. So when you click on the duration, so it's 8 seconds, right? Now the aspect ratio, don't forget the images we created were 16:9. And you can select high definition, which is the HD. If you want to select 10 by 80p, it's gonna ask you to pay, but this one is incredible. So let's use it like that. Okay, so now that we've selected what we want, all what you have to do is to click on any of this, okay? And you're going to import the image. So the first image is where Ella was standing in the kitchen, yeah? Okay, so this one. And we paste our prompt here. So you can see the words, the dialogues, everything is perfect. And the seconds or the duration is 8 seconds. Now that you are done, you click on create. And it's going to get the job done. Let's create and see. So that is exactly how you're gonna create all the videos using this free AI app. So once you come to this app, don't forget, if the image is in 16:9, you always have to select the 16:9. There is one thing I have to let you know, that this has some ads, okay? So once you generate the ads, you're gonna see like 3 video ads. So now that you know this app, you have to start using it. So when you're done, let's say we're gonna use CapCut. Make sure you import all the videos inside CapCut, okay? So for example, this is the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and the 5th, okay? And then you put all of them together, and you can see it's such an incredible tool. It's so great. So how many scenes do we have? 1 here, 1 there, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think there were 6. So 1 remaining. Okay, this one. Yep. So inside CapCut, you have to bring in some transitions here to make it more cinematic. Sometimes I prefer the glare. It gives me that edge. So once you click on the glare, you make sure you select apply to all, and it applies to all the videos. Select the resolution and you click on export, and this video is perfectly going to be exported. So at the end of the video, we're gonna see how it came about. Okay, so my name is MBY, and this is how you can create a beautiful cinematic dialogues using this free AI video generator on your phone. It doesn't matter the type of phone you use, you just have to go to Play Store or App Store and you search Gen V, and you are good to go. If today is your first time here, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm sure you've seen this kind of videos online. Some people are creating and monetizing their videos. You can as well do the same, and it's going to be so beautiful. And if today is your first time, please do well, like, comment, and subscribe, and we shall meet again in our next video. If you don't know Jesus, I highly recommend Jesus to accept him as your Lord and personal Savior, and your life will never be the same. God bless you.